I had to do it. I had to try the viral Grillo's pickle dip, and let me tell you, you do too. It is delicious. Here's the ingredients: chop up those pickles and save the juice. Chop up a jalapeno with or without the seeds, depending how much heat you want. Cut up a bunch of green onions. Now let's put in 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a package of ranch seasoning, hot sauce to taste, a half a cup of bacon. I think I put more in, and let me tell you, go for it. 2 tablespoons of that reserved pickle juice. Now mix it all together. That's how it looks, and it looks so good. Now put it right back in that container and serve it up. It is so delicious. I am really not even a big fan of pickles, and I absolutely love this dip. I couldn't stop eating it. That's the only problem. You won't stop.